The strategy that I was assigned this week is the 3-2-1 strategy. This is a formative assessment which consists of a teacher asking a student or students three things that they learned from a lesson, two ways to make a personal connection to the concept, and in some of the research that I conducted, it stated that some teachers in primary grades also use the two in 3-2-1 to ask the students to name two things that they liked about a lesson. And then finally, the teachers would ask students one question or area of concern or uncertainty that they have. This strategy is used because it is a great tool for reflection after a lesson. Typically, the 3-2-1 strategy is used at the end of a lesson and provides students a great opportunity to summarize ideas and order them in a way that is useful to them based on importance. Applications for use that I put into place for this 3-2-1 strategy come from a language arts lesson plan that I just did recently for another class on parts of speech, particularly with nouns, verbs, adjectives, and pronouns. And for this, we went ahead and I would ask students at the end of this lesson three things that they learned about nouns or pronouns, two ways that they're able to use a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, and I would then ask them one thing that they didn't understand about nouns or pronouns or other parts of speech that I could maybe clarify for them. This application is great to use in discussion during class. You could use it as an exit ticket at the end of a lesson. You could also incorporate it into a portfolio formative assessment that is done at the end of a lesson that you could also share with parents.